Good morning all. Today's topic is importance of staying focused and engaged in the class. Why is it important to remain focused? Whatever is being taught, why should we listen? Why should we not do other things like seeing the mobiles and writing something else, thinking something else and doing something else, looking to another side? Why is it important? Why is it important to stay focused in class? कक्षा में के दौरान ध्यान केंद्रित रहना क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है? कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए, इसको ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. पहले लेट्स डिस्कस द बुलेट पॉइंट्स. फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मटेरियल, improved retention, active participation, reduced distraction, better performance on tests. So ये हो गए. Now let's understand each of the points. Better understanding of the material. Staying focused helps you understand the material being taught in a very proper manner. If you don't remain focused, then you cannot follow. Improved attention. क्या है ये? You are more likely to remember information if you are focused. If you are not focused, you will not recall when asked later. So ऐसे ही होता है बहुत सब बच्चों में जो नहीं करते हैं. Active participation. Focus allows you to participate actively in the class discussions and activities. When asked, you can properly answer the questions. Reduced distractions. Distraction दुनिया में बहुत problem डालता है. So if you are focused, then you won't have any distraction. Staying focused minimizes distractions and helps you stay on the track. Better performance on tests. Focus in class leads to better performance in tests and exams. Now the question is, how can I remain focused to improve my academic performance? Bullet points इसमें भी मैं बता रहा हूँ. Deeper understanding. Engagement means सुनना focused way में. Engagement helps you gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. संलग्न रहने से आपके विषय की जानकारी गहरी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. Better grades. Active engagement often results in better grades and academic achievements. Improved communication skills. Participating in class discussions helps your communication skills को build up करने में. Strong relationships with the teachers, of course. Engagement helps build strong relationships with teachers, which can lead to additional support and guidance. आपको ज़्यादा मिलेगा अगर आप focused हैं, because teacher will definitely come to you and explain करेंगे और ज़्यादा. Increased motivation. Being engaged in class can increase your motivation to learn and succeed. तो ये सब points हैं, तो इसको ध्यान से सुन लिया है आपने, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और एक और पॉइंट है, एनहांस्ड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. आपकी एंगेजिंग इन द क्लास एनकरेजेस क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. तो आशा है आपने समझ लिया है. स्टे फोकस्ड एंड प्रॉस्पर इन लाइफ. गॉड ब्लेस. थैंक यू.